From a land that adores music, a land whose melodies rise from the orchards of its fruit and the bounty of its harvest, God has blessed me with the honor of carrying its music within me. From the school stage to the town, then the city stages, onward to the faculty of pharmacy in the higher institute for music. The journey was woven with delight. Damascus Opera House woodsman, the old gold friends, concerts moments, love and war between the alleys of old Damascus have filled my memory with unforgettable moments. To Dubai, where history meets the future, and where the soul of clay and sand hides gracefully beneath glass. My chest is too full for words. It's time for the music to speak louder than I ever could.